Today, you guys, we are gonna oven roast some rutabaga. Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. You guys, today we are gonna use some rutabaga. We're gonna oven roast some rutabaga. You guys, this is a delicious veggie. It's pretty much like a potato, or I could say a turnip, I guess. But anywho, you guys, this veggie is very good for all of your vitamins. Well, some of them anyway. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this wax off the skin of it. Now you see my cutting sheet is turning with me because this is a very tough veggie, because you want to get that wax off there. Okay, so yeah, your girl was in the mood for some turnips. Not turnips, you guys, rutabaga. I don't know why I keep forgetting what this is. My auntie, I didn't start eating this until a couple of years ago. And my auntie was the one that introduced it to me. Because my mom, she wasn't one that cooked this, okay? But anyway, rest in peace to my auntie. May she continue to rest. And you know, guys, I'm sorry about that. I love trying different recipes. And I remember telling her, she said, have you ever had rutabaga twin? I said, no, Auntie Lily, I don't think I like that. She said, well, how about I make some and you give it a try. Now, excuse that, you guys, because that just flew over the room. Okay, so we want to make sure we get all that skin off. Uh-oh. And yes, these rutabagas are hard to chop. But your girl almost got it there. And we're going to quarter this up. Pretty much like I did what's in the bowl. But we're going to make sure all of this is off, you guys. So if you're viewing me for the first time, don't just straight up subscribe to the channel. And yeah, come join your girl. Now this is what I already chopped up, you guys. So yeah, if this is your first time viewing me, please feel free to hit that subscribe button over in the corner. Now this is where it gets tough at, you guys. But we're gonna make it, because I want to do this one side for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna take it and we're just gonna quarter it, because I want it small enough to roast without taking a long time. If you enjoy rutabagas, leave a comment below. You definitely need a real sharp knife for this. And you definitely got to be extra careful. So you guys, let me go ahead and chop this up. So okay guys, so we're back. So I decided to give me, well, you know, put some onions in here as well. So yeah, we got us some onions. And they flying all over the place. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and roast these veggies along with the rutabagas. And yes, it is more rutabaga. I just gotta get them oiled and seasoned. And I don't think, well, I actually do have a bowl big enough. But anywho, you guys. So let's go and chop up some of these. No special way. You just want to roast them right in here with it. Get the veggie intake in here. I like the colorful sweet peppers, you guys. It just gives a whole new look to the meal. Okay, so everything is in the bowl. Now, let's put us some parsley in here. Just a little. Nothing fancy. Some basil leaf. As soon as I get it open. Not too much. Just enough. And here go a little seasoning. We're just gonna add a little mint onions. Just a little more mint onion. And so now we're gonna add some black pepper as soon as I get it open. And some garlic, you guys. Never can have too much of that. So now we're gonna go ahead and put us a little olive oil in here. Because that olive oil is gonna bring it some flavor as well. I'm gonna mix that all up. And it's gonna, that olive oil is gonna keep all of that seasoning onto the potatoes. You guys, look at that. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, we got one in here. Let's chop it up. Okay. Let's make sure we got it all. So, you guys, we got it. This is our pan we're using. And we just want to spread. We have a little olive oil on here. Don't look like it, nothing is in there but a little. That's all we need. I'm not going to leave all of that flavor in there, you guys, so don't worry. So yes, we're going to get in here and get all of our garlic, our onions up out of here. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. We're going to hit each corner. And let everything lay its way down. Make sure each potato has its own surface. I call it a potato. I'm sorry, you guys. Like I said, this reminds me of a potato. It definitely has a delicious flavor. And yeah. So I'm sorry if I keep saying potato, you guys. It's actually not a potato. So don't get at me. So we're going to stick this in the oven for 45 minutes. But periodically, I will be checking on it because I don't want it to burn. So guys, this is our oven roast rutabaga. You guys look at this deliciousness. Now, some may say it's a little dark, but your girl like hers oven roasted. Well, I like to try it always, but yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and dress this up, you guys. And I need you guys to keep an eye on that for me. You guys, look at this deliciousness. Oh my goodness. You guys, if you enjoyed this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, if you're not part of the fam, hit that subscribe button. Come join. And leave a comment below so I know where to go. You guys, this is such a delicious veggie roasted. You definitely will enjoy it. And sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.